This video is for educational purposes only. It does not intend to criticize or misrepresent any world leaders. Organ transplantation is a proven, life-saving medical procedure, but it remains invasive, requires lifelong immunosuppression, and is limited by the scarcity of suitable donor organs. Professor Mike Chan acknowledges its value while advocating for cellular regeneration as a complementary and potentially more sustainable path to extend health span.
Welcome to the Longevity Quest. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live to 150? Sounds wild, right? But let's be real. People have dreamed of extreme longevity forever. Ancient myths about fountains of youth. Today's billionaires are chasing immortality. The idea of stretching our lifespan is totally irresistible, so here's the latest twist. Recently, a hot mic caught two of the world's most powerful leaders, Putin and Xi Jinping, chatting about organ transplantation. Yeah, you heard that right, swapping human organs like car parts at a repair shop. It's dramatic, but let's be honest, it raises a ton of ethical and scientific questions.
Professor Mike Chan adds that organ transplantation works and saves lives, but he believes there's a better, less invasive way forward through cellular regeneration. He also notes that mitochondrial peptides targeting specific organs can help rejuvenate them, reducing the need for costly transplants and potentially saving billions in healthcare costs globally, while adding healthy years to people's lives.
Enter Professor Mike Chan of the European Wellness Biomedical Group. His team's been working on something that could change everything: cell regeneration. Forget about harvesting organs. Imagine repairing and rejuvenating your own cells so they act young again. And get this, it's not just sci-fi. Professor Chan's latest scientific papers show real, measurable proof that cell regeneration works, restoring function to aging tissues, improving vitality, maybe even tackling some of the biggest age-related diseases. It's like giving your body a software update instead of swapping out the hardware. Cell regeneration harnesses the body's own potential. Through advanced therapies and cutting-edge biotech, scientists are helping aging cells heal and renew themselves.
As Professor Chan emphasizes, true longevity or lifespan must be built on health span, and health span depends on cell span or stem cell span.
More energy, sharper minds, bodies that just might stay healthier for longer. Now, does this mean we're all going to live to 150 tomorrow? Not quite. But these breakthroughs are opening doors that were locked tight just a few years ago. The real future of longevity might be less about replacement parts, and more about unlocking the hidden power within us. In May 2025, Professor Mike Chan's team achieved a breakthrough: the Human Cytology Atlas, mapping over 400 unique human cell types. This landmark confirmed that every organ is made of specialized cells, each with its own molecular instructions. As Professor Chan explains, to heal the brain, you must understand every cell within it. That's why his team mapped the body's cellular diversity, because looking at organs as a whole misses the real levers of aging. Today, the Cytology Atlas is a reference for researchers worldwide, validating Professor Chan's belief that precision medicine starts at the cellular level. In August 2025, Professor Chan and colleagues published another new study, mapping human organ aging.
There are 78 organs in the human body, and this research shows that each one has its own unique biological clock and lifespan.
They found that aging isn't uniform. Different organs age at different rates. The cardiovascular and immune systems decline early. The liver and kidneys show staggered vulnerability. Neural tissues age in unique patterns. This mosaic of aging explains why simply transplanting an organ doesn't reverse aging. Instead, targeted cellular intervention can help maintain organ function from within. As Professor Mike Chan wrote, the true path to defying aging isn't replacing entire organs but regenerating them at the cellular level. We can transplant the cells of specific organs, and that's the key to regeneration and age reversal.
He also reminds us that happiness is a vital ingredient of longevity. Extending health span is not just about cells, it's about quality of life as we age. Money alone cannot buy love or happiness, and true longevity must include a fulfilled, healthy life.
So next time if you hear about organ swaps, remember, there's a new wave coming. And it's all about helping our own cells, maybe, just maybe, living better, healthier, yes, longer. If you're curious about the science behind cell regeneration, Check out the links below for Professor Mike Chan's latest research at European Wellness. Stay curious and keep questioning what's possible.